Why, I'm your lovelies. Welcome here to Fushimi Inari Shrines. You've caught me admiring this fantastic stone shrine. Absolutely bloody lovely. Look over here. The official mascot of Fushimi Inari Shrine is this little fella. He's called Inari. He's a fox. He keeps a secret message in his tube. He's a friendly chap. He'll take care of you. There's so many gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine. I tried to count them, but there's too many. Too many gates. There's a lot of them. We saw a cat earlier. Nice neko. There's also some bells. Everything you could want at Fushimi Inari Shrine. Come with your family and friends. Enjoy a soft serve ice cream. Ta-ra now. Goodbye.